Have you ever felt like everyone around you is living a dream life? Shiny new cars, big homes, cool vacations. Sometimes it feels like you're the only one still saving up for Takeout Friday. Social media makes this even harder. Every swipe is another post. Someone just got a new SUV. Someone else is jetting off to the islands. It's easy to think, what's wrong with me? Am I falling behind? But here's the truth nobody posts. The fancy lifestyle may come with a mountain of debt. That vacation, put on credit. That new car, it means a $900 a month payment for 7 years. All that shine can hide a serious squeeze on their wallets. When you walk into a dealership, what do they ask? Not how much do you want to spend, but how much can you pay each month? Suddenly, you're shown the biggest, shiniest car you technically qualify for, even if it means that payment takes a huge bite out of your budget. Just because someone will loan you a giant sum doesn't mean it fits your life. Their goal? Profit, not your peace of mind. Those car payments aren't just a number, they're a monthly wait. An emergency pops up, and now you have to charge it or take out another loan. That dream vacation? Not with everything going to your car. Ever break down that big car payment? Say you pay $900 a month and only drive an hour a day. That's $30 every hour you drive, just for the car, not counting gas or repairs. Would you pay $30 an hour to rent a car every day for years? Most wouldn't, but loans make it feel normal. Soon, every paycheck is divided up before you even see it. If something breaks or a real emergency strikes, there's no cushion. The cycle repeats, another loan, another payment. Saving feels impossible. But you have a choice. You can step off the appearances treadmill. The world's richest people often drive average cars and focus on building real wealth, quietly. Live below your means. Save for what matters. A paid-off car, an emergency fund, even early retirement. Freedom comes from fewer payments, not more stuff. Remember, most people only show you the highlight reel, not the bills in the drawer. You're already winning by being smart with your money. Real success is quiet. If this video helped you understand money just a little bit better, do me a favor and hit the like button. It really supports the channel. And if you want clear, simple explanations about finance, investing, and building a better financial future, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. New videos are coming regularly to help you make smarter financial decisions without the confusion or hype. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.